Hi folks! Welcome to Raymond's bite-sized tips. This tip has a database theme. It is about counting the number of occurrences of a character or a set of contiguous characters in a string. The technique has many uses. For example, it could be used to determine how many levels down a file system a file is located by counting the number of backslashes. SQLite will be used to demonstrate the technique. It has the functions length and replace, which will be used. They are nicely self-explanatory. Substitute the function equivalents for other database systems. Some database systems will need to use null instead of an empty string as the replacement. In this example, it is just counting how many backslashes there are in a literal file path. In this example, it is counting the number of occurrences in the column named folder path that is in the table finfo. In this example, it is showing the column named ID for all rows in the finfo table, where there is more than one occurrence of ZE in the title column, followed by the number of occurrences. That's it for this bite-sized tip. Thanks for watching. Bye folks.